My favorite thing about this school is that you are always included in everything, and we have so many cool activities and workshops that you get to do at this school. Just have lots of fun, and there's really nice teachers here. They help you, and if you're upset, they comfort you when you need it. This brings joy to the classroom.
St. Louis it's a smaller school and it's a tight-knit family. So we all work together. Every project is a full school, whether you're an EA, a teacher, principal, office staff, we all work together to develop everything that we do. And I think that brings the family atmosphere also to the kids when they come to school.
My favorite thing to do in the classroom is look at the books.
Love reading and the imagination and looking at books. And so being able to help somebody else find the joy in that is such a great experience, especially when it clicks and you see the excitement when they've learned how to read a new word or how to sound something out. It's just phenomenal to watch how they learn and they develop over the years.
What I love most about being at St. Louis is the culture. I feel like the staff here are very tight-knit. We all work really well together. Everybody sort of steps on to take on different roles. Everyone pitches in when they need to.
We made buns. But I remember put flour in it, put sugar.
I really like all of the cool workshops that we can do.
I think what sets St. Louis apart from other schools is our living arts programming. So we offer workshops in class and after school. We've done Christmas musicals and regular musicals. Students really thrive in those settings.
I really like going to St. Louis School. The teachers are really nice. They do crafts with us.
It has really fun activities and the people are always there for you and you have really good people around you.
So we play games and we play tag to catch people.
My favorite thing is probably the workshop. I feel like it's just relaxing and it clears your brain. We're a small school with a big heart.